A milling tool for aluminum machining at high speed, Pro-V Mill. Differentiated clamping system of Pro-V Mill provides clamping stability. The bottom of insert has key slot structure, that is an actual clamping side leaned to internal diameter. Helix cutting edge and chip breaker with high rake angle are applied to improve machinability. Mirror-like finishing on rake surface to prevent built-up edge in aluminum machining enhances smooth chip removal. Pro-V Mill has 10 kinds of nose radius to meet customers' differentiated designs. Pro-V Mill, which is a structure where the key slot of the insert meets directly the key of the holder body in order to be fastened by the screw, prevents uplifting troubles of inserts due to axial acute angle clamping of cutters. The clamping system of Pro-V Mill resists any force to the axial direction. Because the force that the screw gets is dispersed into the key of the holder body, the screw would not be broken by impact in any high-speed cutting conditions. In addition, the internal coolant system sprayed to the edge of the cutting edge is applied to improve chip evacuation and machining quality. The holder body is composed of shank, cutter, and tooling system. Especially, the tooling system realizes stable machining in high-speed cutting due to balancing process. Pro-V Mill highly improves productivity in aluminum machining with high speed. Sharp cutting edge is applied to decrease cutting resistance, and mirror-like finishing on inserts and wide chip pocket improves chip evacuation. Highly stable clamping decreases vibration and chattering in machining, and realizes superior perpendicularity and surface finish on the flank of the workplace. The wide cutting edge is applied for excellent bottom roughness in facing machining. A milling tool for aluminum machining at high speed, Pro-V Mill.